Welcome! Tonight's the perfect night to stay in, get cozy, and cook up something special. When the world outside is cold and dark, nothing beats the comfort of a warm kitchen and a hearty meal. What we need is a true winter classic, a steaming bowl of chili. Chili is more than just food. It's a big, warm hug in a bowl. It turns an ordinary evening into a celebration of comfort and flavor. This isn't just any chili. We're making the ultimate version, step by simple step. No fuss, just honest ingredients and a bit of kitchen creativity. So grab your apron and let's get started. Tonight, we're cooking up pure contentment. Ready? Let's begin. What makes chili the king of winter meals? It's all about warmth and flavor. The spices, chili powder, cumin, bring a gentle heat that warms you from the inside out. Each ingredient, savory meat, earthy beans, tangy tomatoes, adds its own note to a delicious symphony. As it simmers, the aroma fills your home, promising a feast. But chili's real magic is how it brings people together. It's casual, comforting, and perfect for sharing. No fancy plates required. Gather around, ladle it into bowls, and enjoy good food and good company. Chili is nostalgia, comfort, and connection all in one. It's the perfect antidote to a long, cold day. What a clever dish. Every great chili starts with simple, quality ingredients you can find anywhere. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just for yourself, the magic begins with what you choose to put in the pot. The beauty of chili is that it's both humble and hearty, and the right ingredients make all the difference. Begin with about 500 grams of good minced beef for a rich, savory base. The beef brings depth and a satisfying texture to every bite. Add 1 large onion, which will melt into the chili, adding sweetness and a subtle complexity as it cooks down. Don't forget a couple of garlic cloves. These little powerhouses infuse the dish with a warm, aromatic flavor that's essential for a classic chili. And a bell pepper, chopped and ready to go. The bell pepper adds a gentle sweetness and a pop of color, making your chili as beautiful as it is delicious. Next, reach for a can of chopped tomatoes. Tomatoes provide the tangy, juicy base that ties all the flavors together, giving your chili its signature saucy texture. And a can of red kidney beans, rinsed and drained. Beans are the heart of chili, adding protein, fiber, and a creamy bite that balances the richness of the beef. These pantry staples make the process easy and the chili hearty. With just a few cans and fresh produce, you're already halfway to a comforting meal. Now, let's talk spices. Chili powder and ground cumin are the backbone of flavor here. They bring warmth, earthiness, and that unmistakable chili kick. Smoked paprika adds a subtle smokiness, while oregano brings a hint of herbal brightness that lifts the whole dish. Don't forget salt and black pepper. These simple seasonings enhance every other flavor, making sure your chili is perfectly balanced. Adjust the chili powder to your taste for the perfect level of heat. Like it mild? Go easy. Want a fiery kick? Add a little more and taste as you go. That's it. A simple list for a spectacular meal. With these ingredients, you're set up for success, whether you're a first-timer or a chili pro. Gather your ingredients and let's get cooking. The adventure begins now, and soon your kitchen will be filled with the irresistible aroma of homemade chili. Aprons on, let's cook. Today, we're embarking on a delicious journey, one step at a time, to create a hearty pot of chili that's sure to warm your soul. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this adventure is for everyone. So gather your ingredients, take a deep breath, and let's dive in together. Start by heating a generous splash of oil in a large, sturdy pot over medium heat. Once the oil shimmers, add the minced beef. Let it sizzle and brown, breaking it up with your spoon. This step is key. It builds a deep, savory flavor base that will make your chili unforgettable. When the beef is nicely browned, scoop it out and set it aside for now. In the same pot, toss in chopped onion, bell pepper, and a few cloves of minced garlic. Sauté them gently, stirring often until they're soft and fragrant. This is where the kitchen starts to smell amazing. Take your time with this step. Softening the veggies brings out their natural sweetness and adds depth to your chili. Now return the browned beef to the pot. Sprinkle in your favorite spices. Think chili powder, cumin, paprika, maybe a pinch of cayenne for heat. Stir everything together for about a minute, letting the spices toast and release their full aroma. This is where the magic really begins. Next, pour in canned tomatoes and hearty beans. Give it all a good stir, making sure everything is well combined. The mixture should look rich and colorful, full of promise. Bring the pot to a gentle bubble, then lower the heat. Place the lid on, but leave it slightly ajar to let some steam escape. Let your chili simmer away for at least an hour, longer if you have the time. The longer it simmers, the richer and more complex the flavors become. Patience is your secret ingredient here. While your chili bubbles away, take a moment for yourself. Sip some tea, read a book, or just enjoy the cozy kitchen vibes as the aroma fills the air. After simmering, give your chili a taste. Adjust the seasoning, maybe a bit more salt, a dash of pepper, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Make it your own. That's it. Simple steps, big results. You've created something truly special from scratch. Your kitchen will smell absolutely incredible, drawing everyone in with the promise of a comforting meal. Soon, you'll have a pot of pure comfort, ready to be shared with family or friends, or just savored by yourself. Let's move on to the finishing touches and make this chili truly your own. Want to make your chili unforgettable? Whether you're a first-time cook or a seasoned chili champion, a few simple tweaks can take your pot from ordinary to extraordinary. Chili is all about bold flavors, hearty textures, and a little bit of creativity. Let's dive into some top tips that will help you craft a chili everyone will remember. Here are a few tricks that can elevate your chili game and make your next batch truly special. For depth, add a square of dark chocolate or a splash of coffee during the last simmer. These secret ingredients won't make your chili taste like dessert or a cup of joe, but they'll add a rich, complex background note that keeps everyone guessing. Adjust the spice. Add fresh chili or hot sauce for heat, and don't be afraid to experiment with different varieties of peppers for unique flavors, or reduce chili powder for a milder bowl. Remember, you can always add more spice, but you can't take it out, so taste as you go. A spoonful of brown sugar or maple syrup can balance the flavors beautifully. The sweetness helps mellow out acidity from tomatoes and rounds out the heat, creating a harmonious blend. Experiment and make it your own. Try adding roasted corn, black beans, or even a splash of beer for extra depth. Your signature chili could become a family favorite, passed down for generations. Don't forget the toppings: sour cream or yogurt for coolness, grated cheddar for richness, and even a squeeze of lime for a zesty finish. And fresh herbs like cilantro or green onions for brightness and a pop of color. Let everyone customize their bowl for extra fun. Set out a toppings bar and watch your guests get creative. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Toppings add texture and flavor, don't skip them. Crunchy onions, spicy jalapenos, or even crushed tortilla chips can make every bite exciting. The best chili is the one you love to eat, so trust your taste buds and have fun with it. Now let's serve it up, gather around the table, and enjoy the delicious results of your chili adventure. Chili is meant to be shared, a one-pot wonder that brings people together. The aroma draws everyone in, creating a relaxed, happy atmosphere. Picture a chilly evening, friends and family gathered, and a steaming pot at the center. Laughter, conversation, and passing around toppings make for the best memories. Chili is perfect for any casual get-together, movie nights, game days, or just because. Make it ahead, it's even better the next day. Leftovers are a bonus: lunch, freezer meals, or a gift for a friend. One pot can spread warmth far and wide. It's more than food, it's a bowl full of kindness. That's the true magic of chili. There you have it, a guide to the ultimate heartwarming chili. From simple ingredients to a bubbling pot of comfort, you're ready to create your own masterpiece. The real joy is in making it, chopping, stirring, and savoring the results. Make it your own. Tweak the recipe, try new beans, or add a secret ingredient. Cooking is about creativity and care, not perfection. When the weather turns cold, you'll know just what to do. Share your chili with loved ones or savor it solo for a cozy night in. Happy cooking, and may your bowls always be full and your nights always warm. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off for a bowl, with extra cheese on top.